My name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of cross-border tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of having a conversation with Mr. Blake Harris. Blake, would you introduce yourself, please?
Thanks so much for having me on your show. I'm an asset protection attorney. I focus on offshore planning, so I help clients throughout the world, but most of my clients are here in the United States where lawsuits are rampant. We set up offshore structures, trusts, and LLCs to help keep our clients' assets protected from any type of lawsuit, litigation, or divorce.
How can someone avoid getting sued?
So there's a lot of things you can do to mitigate your chance of being sued. Number one, if you're thinking about entering a marriage, a prenup or a post-nup if you've already been married is wise. If you hire any employees, make sure that you include ADR, alternative dispute resolution, in every single employment contract. If your children are driving your cars, put the cars in your children's name. You want to make sure that all contracts you have are well drafted. It's worthwhile to pay an attorney to properly draft the contracts. Don't live a flashy life. Don't show off your wealth. The more you do that, the more likely it is somebody's going to say, I want a piece of that. Treat people with care. Take care of your clients. If you genuinely try your best and your clients understand this, they're less likely to sue you. Now, on the other hand, if they suspect that you never really care about them in the first place, they're going to be more than happy to sue you. But most importantly, eliminate the economic incentive for someone to sue you. If your assets are protected and there's nothing that somebody can take away from you, you've eliminated any economic incentive for somebody to sue you.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Blake, if anybody wants to speak to you and your team more about these opportunities, how would they best reach you?
Social media, Blake Harris Law, Instagram, TikTok, X, Threads, Facebook, LinkedIn. Blake Harris Law on every single platform. TikTok's the biggest one where I have over 250,000 followers, post typically a few times a day on every single platform. I'm very active on social media. I very much stand behind what I say. You can also check out my website, blakeharrislaw.com. Or if you're interested in actually setting up a trust, give me a call. My phone number is 833-ASK-BLAKE. Otherwise, thank you so much for having me on your show. This was a pleasure.